Hi friends, welcome to Data Info. In this video, we will talk about most frequently asked interview question for intermediate level. So this question is very important and this question is related to 0 to 4 years of SQL guys. So the question is how to find entire salary in SQL. So this N will be vary from interview to interview. Sometimes they will ask us to populate second highest salary, sometimes third highest salary, sometimes 10th highest salary. So the nth will be vary from interview to interview. But if you understand the concept, how to populate nth highest salary, so whatever the number it is very easy to populate nth highest salary. So let me go to the table. So this is our table EMP. So first step, whenever you are attending the interview, if they are asking something, for example, if they ask us to populate something, then you have to understand about your source data, source table. Once you understand about your source detail, then it will very easy to write any query. So here they give employee table, right? Let me understand about the employee table. To understand about any table, we can use this command sp underscore help and your table name. So let me execute this one. So this will give you the clear picture about your employee table. So if you see here, three columns with their data type, and here the salary is decimal data type, and we have scale and precision, and we have one primary key on column ID. So this will give you the clear picture and some idea about your table. So let me go to the table data. So this is our data. On top of this data, we have to find 10th highest salary. For example, we will populate second highest salary. So the question is how to populate second highest salary. So let me write the query. So for now, I need all the columns. Then I will use dense rank approach. So I will tell you what is dense rank means. For now, I will write the syntax. Here in order by I will use salary column because second highest salary, right? Second highest salary. So second highest salary. Why in descending order I will tell you. So second highest salary. This column I will give as rank from which table EMP only. So I generated one more extra column that is based on the dense rank. So here I could see couple of ranking. So what dense rank will do is I will give you a little bit background on dense rank. So what this dense rank will do is it will generate the rank to each and every record. So if you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for every record, this dense rank will generate rank. So if I go to the Excel, so this is the definition of the dense rank. So basically what dense rank will do, it will generate the rank to each and every record. That part we understood. But how it will generate is a key point. So if you see here, while generating the dense rank, I used order by salary. So first step, once the sorting is done, then we will generate the rank here. So indirectly, what server will do is it will rearrange the data set based on the order we specified. So here the order we specified is salary in descending order. So once this sorting is done, then it will generate the rank in this way. 1, 2, and some numbers, some rank for each and every record. So here we need to observe a couple of things. Rank it will generate, that is clear. But how it will generate the rank? So if you see here, same value, same rank. If you see here, the same value, same rank, right? So we need to specify rank 2 only because 95K is the highest salary in our table and 90K is our second highest salary. With 90K, we have two records, Anita and Vijay, both are having 90K only. So in that case, we have to generate same value. And dense rank behavior also, it will generate same rank to same value. So it will generate the rank, but in between generating the rank, it will generate same rank to same value. So here, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9. Only if the value is same, then rank will be same. Here, there is no gaps. The third point is there is no gap. So if you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there is no gap. So as per the dense rank definition, we generated the rank for each and every column or every record, and we generated the same rank to same value, and there is no gaps. So some people having question like, why can't we go with rank or row number? In window function, apart from dense we have other functions also, right? Majorly rank and row number. Why can't we go with rank and row number? Here, row number we cannot use. If you see the row number behavior, it will generate the rank to each and every record in a sequential manner, whether it is the same value or some other value. It will generate the rank in just like sequential number, just like in this way, by 6. It will not check whether that value is same or not. It will not check blindly. It will generate some sequential number. So here, how many records? 10 records, 10 values, one starting from 1 to 10. So if you see here, this is the sample file. So on zip code, we performed the three functions: row number, rank, and inst rank. If you see the row number, as per the definition, it will generate the serial number for each and every record: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sequential number. If I go to the dense rank, as per the definition, it is generated rank for each and every column. And if it is same value, same rank, and there is no gaps, there is no gap after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, why 5 two times means same value. 4 single time because only single zip code, and 3 also single zip code with the 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. So due to that reason, 2, 2. Rank is same like dense rank only, but only one difference is in rank you will see the gaps. Why gaps means the rank behavior in this way. For example, this zip code is same till 1, 2, 3. Three records are having same zip code. So rank, just like gen rank, it will provide it same rank, but there is a gap. Why 4 means technically how it will populate is 1, 2. The sequential number supposed to be 4 here. So the next immediate value will be skipped. That next immediate value will be skipped. Whatever the numbers which supposed to be populated here, those numbers will be skipped. 2 supposed to be populated as per the sequential number. 3 need to be populated here as per the sequential number. So what will come after 3, 4, right? So for the new zip code, we populated 3. So that is what rank will do. So let me write here. Here I will use rank. Here I will use dense rank. So as per the rank definition, it will generate rank to each and every record. Same value, same rank. And the next immediate value will be skipped. As per the sequential number, 1, 2, 3, this is 4. And this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So if you see here, gaps are there. There is no 3. 1, 2, 4. Gap is there. But as per the dense rank, same way, but there is no gap. 2, 2. Here, there is no gap. So since there is no gap, we will populate 3. Then other numbers are straightforward. 4 missing, 4 here. Here 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is what dense rank will do. So as per our requirement, we have to use dense rank only, because for same salary, we need to generate same rank only. It is not like this way. If we use rank, the third highest salary we will skip. So if you see here, there is no record with third highest salary. So due to that reason, dense rank will suit the requirement. So I'm using dense rank. So once you generated rank, then it will be easy. Just you need to filter the data. So what I will do, I will use CTE, or you can use subquery. With CTE, as this is my data set. So here I will select the data from CTE. From CTE, where rank equals to 2, because they want second highest salary, that is 90,000. With 90,000, we have two records. So two records we populated. For example, if they ask third highest salary, then just we need to change that number. Rank should be equals to 3. Rank should be equals to 3. Third highest salary is what? This one, Kiran. 85K. 85K. For example, 8th highest salary. Just we need to replace the number. If I go to Excel, 8th highest salary is what? Raj. 65K. 65K. So here, the tricky part is we need to understand about these three functions. So why I am using dense rank is key here. So just see this example, then you will understand easily. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.